Hi guys, I'm so glad you've come back to watch another video by me. It's been a great Thursday that I've been with the kids, doing some mummy duties, a lot of washing and tidying. I tend to do this throughout the day with them, and well, just my everyday thing. I have a coffee next to me because it's important that I do, because the kids have decided to get up at ridiculous o'clock in the morning and get us up with them, so coffee is a must have at the moment. This little project of mine was something that I've always wanted to do. It's something that I love doing. It's basically just painting a house, different colours, like a kind of a haunted house, kind of spooky house on a hill. I just really enjoy doing it, and I've got loads of them all over my house. And this was just another excuse just to put it on canvas and see what the outcome was. I was just using normal Crawford & Black acrylic paints that I got from the works. You can get them in multi-packs, so cheap, so good. I start to get the kids' dinner ready at about 4 o'clock, and our dinner is ready as well, so that it's in the oven on the table for when Luke gets home from work. So I am just carrying on with the process here. I haven't really got any specific. The thing that I'm following is just putting some colour on the canvas and seeing where it goes. I do like to add water, a lot of water, so that the actual paint flows and just falls in places, just so that I can see what happens with the patterns, really, and it's quite interesting. The brushes that I used are actually a 23-piece set paintbrush. They're professional, sorted shape, flat round edge and fan brush, and they're soft hair bristle, and they're sold by Yeon. I got them from Amazon for less than £15. I thought that was a really good deal because the brushes are actually really soft and they take to the paint really well and hold the paint really well.